What if people learned to heal themselves without medicine? Imagine a world where the human body no longer depends on pills, injections, or hospitals to recover. Instead, people learn to activate their own internal healing systems, repairing wounds, fighting infections, and restoring balance using the power of the mind and body alone. Illness would no longer be something we fear or surrender to, but a signal the body understands and responds to. At first, this ability would seem miraculous. Chronic diseases could fade as people relearn how to regulate inflammation, regenerate cells, and strengthen immunity naturally. Stress-related illnesses would drop dramatically once individuals master control over their nervous system. Healthcare would shift from treating symptoms to teaching self-mastery, awareness, and prevention. But this new world would also challenge everything we know about medicine and society. Hospitals might become centers of education rather than treatment. Doctors would transform into guides, helping people understand their bodies instead of prescribing solutions. Pharmaceutical industries would lose power, while knowledge, discipline, and mental resilience would become the most valuable resources. Not everyone would master self-healing equally. Some would struggle to focus, believe, or commit to the process. This could create a new divide, not between rich and poor, but between those who understand their bodies and those who do not. Responsibility for health would shift entirely to the individual, removing excuses but increasing pressure. There would also be ethical questions. If people can heal themselves, should they be obligated to do so? Would refusing self-healing be considered negligence? And what happens in extreme injuries or genetic conditions? Are there limits to what the body can repair on its own? In the end, self-healing without medicine would redefine what it means to be human. Health would no longer be something we outsource, but something we cultivate daily. Perhaps the greatest change wouldn't be the disappearance of disease, but the return of trust. Trust in the body, the mind, and the quiet intelligence that has always lived within us.